All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. And guess what? We're back in Hong Kong again. I know in the beginning of this channel, I made a lot of videos here in Hong Kong. That's because I was working here. And since COVID, I went back to the US. And now this is my first time coming back since then. And I'm very, very happy to show you more of what Hong Kong has to offer. So welcome to the Grand Hyatt Hong Kong. So we can talk a little more about this place first. I was actually here and I actually filmed a video back in 2021, but the video didn't turn out right and the audio was all messed up, so I decided not to post it. So I'm really happy that I can come back and actually show you guys this place. While this is not the most luxurious hotel in Asia, it was actually once dubbed by the New York Times that the Grand Hyatt Hong Kong is the flagship of Hyatt International in all of Asia. So I think it's quite a special place. This hotel is built in 1989, and actually by the way the room looks, I can't tell because I think they must have renovated or something, because I think they did a pretty good job keeping the rooms. So let's do the room tour now.
Actually, before we do that, let's take a look at the common area of the hotel. And of course, let's take a look at the breakfast option that's offered to a Globalist member. The lobby is on the ground floor of the hotel, facing away from the convention center. And the main entrance is tucked away in a smaller street facing a park. My one complaint about this property has always been that the lobby area is feeling really dark and not very well lit. Well, unfortunately, it still feels that way to me this time around. Okay, breakfast now. It's served at the Grand Cafe on the ground floor. It's got plenty of seating and it was pretty quiet the morning I was there. As part of the benefits for a Globalist member, I was offered to either have free breakfast here or at the lounge. And remember this tip, if you're looking for good food and wider selections, always choose to have breakfast at the restaurant instead of the lounge. However, if you're looking for a quieter and more intimate experience, then you should eat at the lounge. For me personally, I always choose to eat at the restaurant, and it's such a treat here at the Grand Cafe. It's got a massive selection of local dishes like dim sum and noodles, along with your usual Western fare like bacon and hash browns. If you're a healthy eater, no worries. They've got a whole selection of fruits, juices, yogurts, and even fresh coconuts. Okay, that's enough food. Now let's move on to some other activities. You can find the gym on the 11th floor, as well as the pool area. Something very unique about this pool though, it is shared with a competitor hotel, the Renaissance, which is a Marriott property. After spending some time at the pool, it's time for afternoon tea at the lounge. But food is not the only reason why I'm there for it. The lounge actually offers breathtaking views of the Victoria Harbour. It was also very quiet in the afternoon and offers plenty of seating. Overall, it's just a very relaxing place to enjoy a quick bite. Alright, let's head back and do the room tour.
All right, so once you get in here, it's a hallway and kind of leads you in. We got a closet here. Actually, no, it's not a closet. It's the bathroom. I'm just discovering this right now. And coming in right here to the left-hand side is the shower and the bathtub. And we got an amazing view. I'll open the blinds later so you guys can take a good look. So a little bit about this room first. This is a King Deluxe Room with the harbor view, and this is also the highest non-suite room that they can give me for my globalist status. I'm entitled to the grand suite, but unfortunately it's sold out. So, but it's okay. Actually, you will see that this room is quite large. It's 50 square meters, which is translated to around 500 square feet. So very sizable for a room in Hong Kong. So let's go take a look at the bedroom area. So this is the place where you can put your luggage. We got the slippers. The closet is actually right over here. We got very nice soft robe and ironing board, iron. Those are all pretty standard. More space where you can store your luggage, I guess, but you don't have to. Safe, more storage. Like I said, this room is quite large for Hong Kong. More storage space, like my backpack's in there. And let's see what's over here. Oh, nothing. Okay. All right. So here we go. Look at this room. I'm pretty sure this is, you know, almost like a junior suite in terms of size for some of the other hotels. So let's open the blind and check out the view. This is one of the iconic views in Hong Kong, which is the Victoria Harbor. And if you see my other videos, you'll know, because we're quite used to this view on this channel, right? So look at that. It takes a while to open the blinds, but it's worth it. Let me stay back and give you guys a better view. Look at that. Again, I'm quite amazed at like how big this room is actually for a non-suite room, for a non-suite category room. It's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with what I got, just given that I'm just here by myself, right? And wow, look at that. So that's Central over there, the IFC, and that one is the ICC. So those are the tallest building in Hong Kong, I believe. So okay, let's go back to the room tour here. So we have the living room area and the desk space. Very, very large desk. It's almost like I want to say a dining table ish. The design here, the decoration, actually really reminds me of the Grand Hyatt in Taipei. I will get a chance to go to Taipei next year, and maybe I'll stay there and I'll show you guys. So we have an espresso machine. Waters are all complimentary in most of Asian properties, so that's a step up from your local US properties. We've got cups and ice bucket and everything. I like these. Coffee, I can take it to go, but since I do have lounge access, so we can always go down to the lounge, grab a cup of coffee there as well, even to go. So that's nice. Let's take a look over here. I think this is probably the fridge. Yep, fridge and mini bar. These are not complimentary, so you do have to pay for these, and these are probably quite expensive. Again, you can just go down to the club lounge to get your stuff. So the pots are here for the coffee, and slip in a little bit of that if you want. Let's take a look at the bed. King size bed, very nice. Let's take a look at the switches, which is a favorite thing to do. Yeah, they look, pretty good for a property in 1989, I believe. Yeah. So, yeah, kudos to them. Let's take a look over here. Similar setup. We do have thermostat here next to the bed, which I really like, because a lot of time you had to get up and go to the wall, but it's right here next to the bed, so very good. We have a USB power outlet here, which is also very well done. I'm pretty sure they remodeled this room before. Got one lamp here. and it seems like we don't have one here on this side. So that's a little odd, but no complaint. I'm just nitpicking here. We have a lot of mirrors in this room, right? So we got this mirror here, a whole bunch of mirror in the bathroom, and then we got mirrors over there in the hallway. I think one of the reasons they do that is so that the room actually looks bigger because all the reflection and everything. And with such a nice view, the reflection does make the room look bigger and brighter, actually. And I think the brightness makes a big difference. But yeah, this 180 degrees view, you can't complain about that. I'm definitely not gonna complain. So for those of you who actually watched my Maldives series for St. Regis, does that remind you of the TV that we saw at the St. Regis Maldives? I'm actually surprised. Is that a trend? I don't know. Leave a comment down below and let me know, because I don't know if this is a trend that we have like a monitor type stand for TVs nowadays. But yeah, against the convention center. Let's go over to the shower room, since the toilet is over there. This is the shower room, so let's take a look here. Do we have rain showers? We do. Excellent. I don't remember this part. Last time I wasn't given this deluxe room, actually. Last time I was only given a regular harbor view room. So yeah, this room's much nicer. We got cups, and let's take a look at the bath amenities. Soap, body lotion. Again, I don't really like the big bottles, but I understand people have to, or properties have to go green, and that's all good for the environment. So we have more amenities over here. Mouthwash is always nice. Dental kit, shower cap. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. One of the best features, if you're a tub person, is that this big old opening area where you can actually see the harbor from the tub. And I remember that last time, although it's not a deluxe room, the setup is pretty much the same, where if you sit in the tub, you can pretty much see the harbor. So I don't think it's for everyone, because let's say that if you're traveling, with little kids, then this is kind of in the way, right? You can't, if they're sleeping early and you want to shower or take a bath, you can't really turn on the lights, you wake them up. I know there are blinds, but still, it would be better if there's a wall. For families only, okay, so maybe it's not too family friendly, but that's okay. That's okay. So we haven't seen the inside of this room yet. It's very simple, but that's okay, because I don't expect anyone to spend too much time in there. So it's pretty good use of space, actually, instead of making it just a random closet and and put the toilet here, and then you forgo the shower or forgo the tub. Now you have a tub and shower and the toilet. So I think that's a pretty good design for this actually quite oddly shaped room, right? This is almost like a diamond shaped room. So yeah, what do you guys think? I mean, the room is not that big, unlike the Maldives, so not much to show, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and later we'll talk about how to redeem for this room as well.
Alright, it's time for cocktail hour back at the Grand Club Lounge. It's the same place where we had afternoon tea, but from 5:30 to 7:30, it serves free alcohol and a light dinner. The lounge reception is on the 30th floor, while the dining area is on the 31st floor, all connected by stairs inside the lounge. The food here is actually pretty good and definitely enough for dinner. It's got about 6 different hot dishes, some cheese, cold cuts, and salad. I was even able to get some sushi. Here, I want to give credit to the lounge staff for their outstanding service. They even keep track of who wants to sit next to the window and will proactively ask each guest if they want to be moved when the tables are open.
Alright guys, it's about time for us to check out, but we haven't talked about the redemption situation here at the Grand Hyatt. So there are 2 ways to redeem for a night here. You can either use points, or you can use what's called a free night certificate, similar to other chain hotels like Hilton and Marriott, right? As a Globalist member, I get 1 Category 7 free night certificate, and this property is actually Category 6, which means I can use my Category 7 on a Category 6 property. So I essentially pay nothing for this room. And although when I book, you have to book the standard room, but because of the upgrade, there's tremendous value in doing that, because this room actually goes for $800 a night. All right, guys, there you have it, the Grand Hyatt Hong Kong. Do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? Leave a comment down below. I want to know. Also, if you like this kind of content, consider liking the video and subscribe to our channel. It makes a big difference for us. And also, we're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers so I can bring you even more content. So, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.